Hi, my name is Kyle, and I'm a workshop facilitator at STEMpathize. What is STEMpathize, you may be asking? STEMpathize is a group of high school volunteers and interns, like myself, who strive to make STEM accessible to all through engaging and hands-on workshops for all age groups. Our last spring cycle, we did Spectacular Space, going over space and the physics behind it, and biotechnology, technology used for biology and medical uses. Here are our socials. And now here is a quick recap of the photos that we took during our spring cycle.
I learned about the moon.
Yes, moon, very good. Okay, I'm really happy that you guys learned. Yes!
Nebulas are made out of dust and clouds.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed our recap. If you're in high school or around a similar age and you're interested in interning for our next cycle, here is a link that you could visit to apply for an internship. Thank you, and I hope we see you again.